There was once a boy who believed he wasn't enough. He wasn't tall. He wasn't strong. He wasn't the smartest in his class. So he stayed quiet. He walked with his head down. And when people looked at him, they didn't see a leader. They saw just a boy. But one day something happened, something small but powerful. He heard a man speak, an old man. His voice was calm, and his words, they changed everything. "There are only two animals," the man said, "that the Creator used to describe himself, the eagle and the lion." The boy was surprised. "Why those two?" he whispered. The man smiled and said, "Because they are kings. The eagle rules the sky, and the lion rules the land." "But lions aren't the biggest," the boy said. "They're not even the smartest." The man nodded. "Exactly. The lion is not the tallest, not the heaviest, not the strongest, not even the most intelligent. Yet, when the lion walks into the jungle, every animal moves aside." The boy looked down. He didn't feel strong, or smart, or tall. "So why is the lion king?" he asked. The man leaned closer. His eyes were kind, but serious. "One word," he said. "Attitude. That's what makes the lion king." The boy blinked. "Attitude. You see," the man continued. "When a lion sees an elephant, a creature much bigger, heavier, and smarter, he thinks only one thing: lunch. But when the elephant sees the lion, he thinks predator." The boy began to understand. "It's not about size or strength," the man said. "It's about belief. A lion believes he is a leader, and that belief becomes his attitude." The boy walked home slowly that day, but something inside him had changed. At school, he raised his hand more, not because he had all the answers, but because he believed he could learn. When he played sports, he wasn't the fastest, but he didn't give up when someone laughed at him. He smiled because now he knew something they didn't. He had the spirit of a lion. Years passed. The boy grew up. One day, he stood in front of a crowd, giving a speech as the leader of his school. He looked into the eyes of younger students. Some were shy, some looked unsure, and he smiled because he saw himself in them. So he told them what the old man had once told him: leadership is not about muscles. It's not about titles. It's about how you see yourself. You don't have to be a lion on the outside. You just need to think like one on the inside. An army of sheep led by a lion will always defeat an army of lions led by a sheep. And that day the room was silent, not because they were afraid, but because they respected him. Just like in the jungle, sometimes you are not the biggest, not the loudest, not the strongest, but when you change your belief, you change your attitude, and when your attitude changes, the world begins to see you differently. You become a lion, not because others call you king, but because you believe it first.